So, Dane review of that not fun trail.
I did not like it. It was worse than the hard one yesterday.
Yeah, it was
more
narrow and
scratchy, narrower. Now we got even more scratches.
Today, we're visiting Nature's Hot Tub. Located off of Smith Mesa near Hurricane, Utah, there's this road that will lead you to the Nature's Hot Tubs. We had heard about this place on the internet through a few different articles and we wanted to see it for ourselves. It is said that during certain points of the year, the hot tubs will fill with water and because of the sandstone around them will become rather warm, like a hot tub. We doubt during our trip we would see any water since it had been rather warm and there had been no rain in the forecast for weeks. But still, we wanted to go see this place. Besides the hot tubs, we were told that this area offers amazing views and it starts right off the bat while you're driving. As you can see, the main road to reach this area is rather easy. The trail starts out as a paved road from either end but turns into a dirt road around 20 miles around the Smith Mesa Plateau. The west entrance that we entered in on snakes its way up the Hurricane Mesa. This section of road is narrow and steep with warning signs against trailers. Once on top, it is primarily an easy two-wheel drive road with enough room for two vehicles to pass. For our adventure, we won't be completing all of Smith Mesa Road today, but we'll be turning off into the dirt some more. And something perhaps even maybe a little more difficult. There is no information online about the Jeep trail that leads there, so we're going to see if a Toyota Tacoma can make it. And as you know it, right after our turnoff, it looked like this road was going to be a little bit more than we thought it would be. From the view of my passenger seat, you can definitely tell that this road is rather narrow, and probably hasn't had a full-sized rig on it in quite a long time. But we're not going to let that deter us. We're going to keep on pushing forward, even if I have to hold back a bush or two. And no, this isn't a technically complicated trail. But when you're avoiding scratches on your Toyota Tacoma's paint, personally I'm the one who has to buff all those out. I think I'm going to have to get out and spot and move some tree branches around maybe once or twice.
You've got room, but you're going to hit your back tire in that rock.
Which rock?
The one that's right next to you.
That big ass rock in front of me?
No.
Turn now.
Yeah.
This isn't fun. Look at the height of this.
When we find a spot to pull over, we can pull over. Okay, now passenger. Cut in passenger to put your tire in this high spot.
At this point, we were really starting to regret bringing the long bed. It was like trying to wind a bus or a limousine through the trees.
You're okay.
Do you also like going cool places like this? Well, this would be the time to hit that like and subscribe button for us. It costs you nothing, but it helps out the algorithm. And just when you think the trail's about to open up, you might be home free, think again.
Okay. Careful on the back. I think you got the back going. I think you're good.
See a damn thing.
Okay.
For the record right here, what you can't see in front of Dane is also another tree, if you can imagine that. Thus, making the long bed make this turn is a little more difficult than it would be if you were in a short bed Tacoma. See, there's the tree I was talking about.
Yeah, keep cutting, you're good. Right there, yeah. You're okay. Now you can straighten out.
And this whole time we were looking for a parking spot because we decided that hiking was the best option to make it the rest of the way. Look what we have here, a nice little Tacoma-sized parking spot. After parking the truck, we took a little tiny short hike to make the rest of the trail. And honestly, it was so short, I didn't even realize how close we actually were. And can you believe it? This amazing view was just hidden right around the corner. And just a short ways away from the overlook, you'll find the hot tubs. And like we imagined, it didn't have any water.
Definitely not a dirt road, just a gravel road to get here. Google is full of baloney, right? People on Google reviews, yeah, it's just a gravel road.
That was not gravel, that was hard.
I found a little hot tub.
You did.
I can honestly say we didn't spend too much time at the hot tubs themselves. Some little no-see-em gnats, and oh my gosh were they terrible, and I couldn't take it anymore, so we flew the drone for a little bit and we got it back out of there to the Tacoma pretty quick.
You got room for going forward too. Okay. Hitch scraper. Yeah, keep going straight. Now you can cut. You're gonna need to back up a little bit. You're not gonna want to come off that.
Where do I want to turn?
Where you can get your nose over a little more this way. Right there. Yeah, because you're gonna go up and over a little bit, but you'll be okay there. Okay, slow off that one. Yeah, you're gonna be fine there. Okay, yeah, we're good there. And I think your bumper's gonna be fine. Here it is. There you go. You're good. There you go. So, Dane review of that not fun trail.
I did not like it. It was worse than the hard one yesterday.
Yeah, it was
more
narrow.
scratchy, narrower. Now we got even more scratches.
So what's your recommendation for full-size vehicles?
I wouldn't take them. I'd just hike in. It's not very far.
Yeah, I would say anything larger than this, you'd be playing.
Even then, you should hike in if you have one of these.
I think
We would have
so.
hiked in if we'd known where to park it.
It's true.
Once you get past the fun parking, you're committed. There's no other way to get parked until you're within a quarter mile.
So
Good
definitely
times.
not a recommended four-wheel drive trail just because it's so narrow and scratchy. If you have an ATV, fine.
All right.
But I wouldn't recommend it if you like your paint.
Nope, not recommended. I'd hike in if I'd have known. I'd have parked right at the bottom part.
They would've
Gnats
been-
were terrible.
Gnats are terrible, so if you don't like bugs,
Bring bug spray.
bring bug spray.
We forgot bug sprays.
Thank you for coming on this adventure with us today. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and we'll see you out there on the trail soon. Bye for now.